Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger, pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. I always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that glory just always seemed to bore me. But only those I really loved would ever really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Before the morning sun when life was lonely. Once I was 20 years old. I only see my goals, I don't believe in failure, cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor. And if we don't meet before I leave, I hope I see you later. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Was writing about everything I saw before me. Once I was 20 years old. Soon we'll be 30 years old. Songs have been sold. We've traveled around the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old. I'm still learning about life. Mother brought children for me, so I could sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Got my boys with me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brothers, I'm still sorry. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I wrote a letter once. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years older. Will I think the world is colder? Will I have a lot of children who could warm me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Soon I'll be 60 years older. Will I think the world is colder? Will I have a lot of children who could warm me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. Once I was 7 years old.
Hey, well done, Keris. Louise, what did you think of Keris's performance?
Keris, the thing about your voice is you've got such a lovely natural tone and it's really, really unique. I know we've said it to you millions of times before, but even the way you pronounce your words is very unique as well, and it's very current and there's no one else like you, which is fabulous in the industry. The only thing I've got to say is I think the song choice was lovely and the high section at the end was really nice, and you showed kind of the thickness you've got to your voice, which we haven't really seen much of previous weeks. But there wasn't, your theme was change it up, and I feel like in the song you kind of just sung it how it was written. So you didn't really change it up very much. I think you just used like a slightly more acoustic track. So I would have liked to have seen you done a bit more with it. But I thought it was a nice performance. I just want you to challenge yourself a bit more going forward, but well done.
Kelly?
Yeah, I think it's the most effort that you've made in terms of the way you pushed your voice. I think that's the most comfortable we've seen you use your voice. I like the fact that the song was a little bit more stripped back, so we got to hear that unique tone of yours. I think it worked in that sense for you. But I do agree with Louise, it would have been nice if you would change the melody up a little bit and took advantage of that acoustic track. I liked it when it went up just a little bit towards the end, and you seemed a lot more comfortable in where your range sat with that. But I thought you made a lot more effort with the video and the vocal all round. I would be careful of your breath control, especially with such a fast song. There's so many words to cram in that you really need to be prepared for that with your breath. So just in future, just pay attention to that. But otherwise, really good effort. Well done, lovely.
Yeah, Cerys, I think the trouble we've got at the moment, what I'm finding at the moment watching your performances, is that, like I've mentioned before, your tone is so unique and so individual in how it sounds. And sometimes when you get a tone like that, especially being new to music and new to the industry, sometimes it's more challenging to find the right songs and that. And what's happened this week is you've actually picked a song that's probably further down the line that would be ready for you as a singer. And what I mean by that is the lyrics in this track are very speeded up. And because you were still getting confident and comfortable with how you sing and how you sound and what you got to offer, when you put yourself in the deep end with a song like this, sometimes it can not necessarily flop, but not be your best, because I could see that you were trying to breathe. There was a few parts I noticed that kind of went out of pitch a little bit. There was a few bits you stumbled where you was unsure of the words, things like that. So I think all you need to take from this performance on is to prepare yourself better. I would say to stay away from anything that's too lyrically fast because of how you sound as a singer at this point. So try and simplify things, you know, lyrically in a song where you've got a song that's more stripped back and that, because that's where I feel like we're going to hear the best of you at this point. Other than that, well done for taking on the challenge, and you should be proud of yourself. So remember to stand there and be proud. Well done.